Welcome back to United Photo Booth Business, where every episode supercharges your journey as a photo booth business owner. Brought to you by Canary Capital Productions. We're all about innovating the photo booth world with marketing ideas, groundbreaking strategies, and success stories. I'm your host, David Rodriguez. What's good? Let's get it, baby. Man, there's something about this podcast that really puts me in a power mood. And so I hope that this right here motivates you guys and gets you guys thinking. Now, first up, enhanced exposure. When you team up with event planners, venues, and other vendors, your photo booth gets introduced to a broader audience, okay? At first, I didn't realize this because I was in my zone. I wanted to get there extra early, do the testing, make sure my setup is nice and clean, no cables showing, and that I can do a few test runs before I even got people onto the platform or shot a few photos if it was a standard photo booth. Now, when you guys team up with venues and vendors, what happens is these partnerships act as a mutual endorsement, increasing your credibility and visibility in the market. Now, imagine your photo booth being the to-go choice for weddings because local venues trust and recommend your services.
Yes.
See, that's the power of exposure through collaboration. All right. So can I get an applause?
Okay.
All right, guys. So now I want you guys to put this into practice on your very next event. Now, when you are at your event, make sure you guys are exchanging information such as LinkedIn. What else? Instagram.
Okay.
And even offer this, guys. If, for example, the photographer or videographer go on your 360 booth platform and they get a spin in and they love it and they have the video now to show on their social media, they actually use your services. So it would be wise to ask them for a Google review, and in return, you can give them a Google review. So you just earned a Google review, collaborated, and now have somewhat of an alliance with the photographer or videographer, okay? So this is just a quick golden nugget I just wanted to throw in there because I feel like it's extremely effective to have great reviews on Google.
Yes.
All right, so I'm glad that we got to cover that. Now, lastly, right, we have networking and long-term relationships. So in our industry, who you know really matters just as much as you want to know who can actually bring in more clients. So building strong relationships with vendors can lead a steady stream of referrals. This network becomes a vital asset, providing consistent flow of business and opportunities for collaborative packages or promotions. Now, don't take this lightly, guys. This is really, really something that I took time to put together because, for example, there is a company out there, and if you guys go on my Instagram, they're called Mixology. So what they do is they have a crazy fusion of drinks. The gentleman's name, big shout out to him, his name is Shay. So Shay has gotten me into really nice high-end events, and then what ended up happening is his client base started reaching out to me regularly for their events. So that relationship alone has helped me bring in more clients, bring in more revenue for my business. And just the type of person that I am as a photo booth business owner, what I did is every time one of his clients reaches out to me, I like sending him a commission, like a thank you. Like, hey, this was possible because of you.
That's right.
And so this is just the way that I do business. I love taking care of the people who are helping me get exposure and grow my business. So over time, these relationships can really evolve, guys, offering even more strategic benefits and opportunities for growth.
Damn, David.
Now, to wrap it up, leveraging vendor relationships is not just about getting your photo booth in front of more people. It's about building a community around your brand, all right? So you guys know that I constantly put my brand logo on my videos because I want people to remember the production behind that logo, that brand. It's about building that community, right? So through enhanced exposure, cost-effective marketing, and networking, these collaborations can become a cornerstone of your business strategy, guys. So please use this concept at your very next event. That is it for today's episode. I hope you are leaving with valuable insights on the importance of collaborating with vendors as a photo booth business owner. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your photo booth business thrive. Until the next time, ladies and gentlemen, this is David Rodriguez, and good luck on your next event. Take care. Peace.